Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick video. So what I've seen while working with clients is when we send out marketing emailers for whatever reasons, we sometimes tend to add a book a meeting CTA for them. And because these contacts are already inside the CRM, if someone receives that email and if they click on that particular book a meeting CTA, then they would have to again enter in their first name, last name, email. Now, if you think about it, that's literally of no use because when you already have their data inside the system, that's something which adds a bit of friction to this particular process wherein they have to fill in their name, first name, last name, contact, email, all and over again. So the thing is, there's a very easy way to automate this, wherein whenever if there is a contact who is inside your HubSpot CRM and if he clicks on a certain book a meeting link through any of your marketing emails, all of his details like the first name, last name, and email will automatically populate, and he just needs to then book a meeting, like book a time slot and go ahead and schedule a time. So we'll just see how we can do that. So over here, I already have an email created, and there's my book a meeting slot. So now when I have to add a link to it, you'll see that there's a meeting link option as well, but we'll not go with it. We'll go with the URL option. And what we'll do is we will add this particular. So I'll add this code in this URL in the description as well. And all we need to do is wherever there's an equal to after the first name, you see there's a personalized option. We just need to add in these things. So the first name, then there's a last name, and then there's email. Okay. So this is all what you need to do. Now we'll just go ahead and test it. So I'll preview it as a contact. I'll select a random contact over here, say this one, and I click on this. So if you see now, what it does is it will redirect me to this meeting page. Now, if I select any profile, if you see, the first name and the email automatically got populated over here. So this contact did not have a last name, so it did not. Otherwise, all of the rest were automatically populated. And now I can go ahead and just put in, like she can just put in her last name and go ahead and book a time slot. So that's how easy it is. I will post this URL format in the description and you can use it to add this to any of your CTAs you use it while sending out marketing emails. Thank you.